Hello everyone. So this video intends to help you find the LCM or the least common multiple using either the method of prime factorization or continuous division. No? So let's try some example. For example, meron tayong dalawang numbers which are 36 and 45. So using the prime factorization, so we have to dissect lang natin itong mga numbers na ito into their prime factors. So you can do this by either this is now 6 times 6. At ang 45 naman ay 9 times 5. So again, 6 and 6, it's 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Well, 9 is 3 and 3. Therefore, the prime factors of 36 is equal to 3 squared or 2 squared. So start with 2 squared times 3 squared. Okay? And then yung 45 naman, ang prime factors niya ay 3 squared times 5. Therefore, pag kinuha naman natin ang mga ang LCM ng dalawang to, kukunin natin pinakamalaking yung common muna sa dalawa. So this time 3 squared ang common. Okay? So that is 3 squared. Tapos yung hindi na common sa kanila, which is here we have here 2 squared times and then 5. Therefore, the LCM of 36 and 45 equals 9 times 4 times 5. Kasi yung 9 dito, 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is equal to 4. 36 times 5, so that is equal to 180. So the LCM is equal to 180. Okay? Now, for continuous division, paano naman yon? So, ihilera lang natin 36 and 45. So the first step is think of numbers, no? Na may common factor sa dalawa. Any number na may common factor, syempre aside from 1, no? Which is syempre useless naman yun. So we start with number na, let's say 36 and 45. Pwede naman mag-start tayo with 3, no? Then you divide both sides, yung dalawang to, 36 divided by 3, so that is equal to 12. And 45 divided by 3, that's equal to 15. Tapos nun again, continuous division, common sa dalawa, meron pa, which is 3. And 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. This time wala nang common dito sa dalawang to, 4 and 5. But then you can continuous repeat division. So pwedeng mamili kayo, pwedeng mauna ang 4. So 4 divided by 4, 1. 5 divided by 4, wala. Hindi siya pwede. So just leave 5 here. Then 5 na naman. Tapos 1, 1. Pag nag-1 at saka 1 na to, wala ka na ma-divide, then ibig sabihin tapos ka na. So all you have to do is just get the product of yung mga dinivide mo dito. Okay? So the LCM of 36 and 45 will then be equal to 3 times 3 times 4 times 5. So that's equal to 9 times 4 times 5. So the answer is also equal to 180. Okay? So, yun na maggamit ng prime factorization and continuous division. Okay. Let's have another examples. Clear muna natin lahat. Suppose, ang mga numbers natin are 20, 45, and let's say 60. Okay? By prime factorization, so again, ang 20 ay 4 times 5, 45 ay 9 times 5, ang 60, 12 times 5, no? So, ang 4, this is, therefore, ang 20, that's the same as 2 squared, no? So, 2 times 2 times 5. So, that means 2 squared times 5 tayo dyan. Tapos, ang 9, ang 45, that is equal to 3 squared times 5. So, pwede ko na ilipat dito, no? 3 squared times 5. Tapos yung 12, again, this is 3 times 4, then times 5. So, ang 20, so pwede na sulat, no? Ang 20, this is equal to 2 squared times 5. Ang 45, equal yan sa 3 squared times 5. And then ang 60 naman ay equal sa 2 squared times 3 times 5. Okay, paano kunin ng LCM nila using prime factorization? Okay, so yung common muna sa kanila which is 5. pinakamataas na exponent, no? 5. Tapos ngayon, dito sa dalawa, 20 and 60, we have 2 squared. And then yung last dyan, okay, so yung 5 muna, yung una, tapos yung 2 squared. Tapos, ang pipili ka ngayon, 3 squared bawat 3. So, ang pipiliin natin yung pinakamataas na exponent. So, that is 3 squared. Therefore, ang kanilang LCM, the LCM, equal siya ngayon sa 5 times 4 times 9. Okay, so again, 5 times 4, that's 20 times 9. The answer is equal to 180. Okay, so try natin ngayon using yung ano sa kabilang side, no? Or ano muna natin to? Clear muna natin to. O sige, dito na lang siguro. Mas okay, no? Para makita din natin, mas makompare nyo. What if continuous division tayo? So 20, 45, at saka 60. Again, no? So think numbers na divisible sa tatlo. So, pwede natin maisip, pinakaano dyan, 5. Diba? So, tapos ngayon, 20 divided by 5, that's 4. 45 divided by 5, that's 9. 60 divided by 5, that's 12. Okay, ngayon, nakita natin wala nang common sa tatlo. So, pwede tayo pairwise, no? So, 4 at saka 9, wala. 9 at saka 12 meron, o 4 at saka 12 meron. So, bahala kayo kung ano gusto nyo muna. So, halimbawa, gusto ko mauna yung 4 at saka 12. So, ang 4 at saka 12 ang common nila ay 4. So, 4 divided by 4, that's 1. Yung 9, hindi yung pwedeng ma-divide sa 4, so leave it here. 12 divided by 4, it's equal to 3. Okay? Next, 1 na to. So, tapos na ako dito sa layer na to. Ang ko-compare ko na naman, hanapan ko ng least common, o parang common factor. Common factor rather, no? Yung 9 at saka 3, so that's 3. And then, I will have here 1. Kasi wala na, hindi ko na pwede ma-divide. So, ito ngayon, 9 divided by 3, that's 3. 3 divided by 3, it's 1. And then finally, mag-isa na lang niya. So, I have here 3. So, ito ngayon, 1, 1, 1. So, ano ngayon ang product ng apat na to? Okay? Itong apat na to. So, 5 times 4, that's 20. Times 3, that's equal to 60. Times 3, 180. So, dito pa lang, LCM nyo na ngayon is equal to 180. Okay? So, last example natin. So, next, clear muna natin to. So, suppose sa mga numbers naman natin are 24, 15, and 75. Okay? So, by prime factorization, ang 24, sige, para makita lang natin. So, this is 8 and 3. Ang 15 ay 5 and 3. Ang 75 ay 25 and 3. So, dito pa lang ang common nila ay 3, no? So, pwede natin i-check dyan. So, this is 5. So, ang 24, equal siya ngayon sa ang 8 natin. Alam natin this is 2 cubed times 3. Ang 15 ay 5 times 3. Tapos, ang 75, ito ay 5 squared. Kasi 25, no? 5 squared times 3. So, the common, so the LCM will be 3. Kasi ito yung common sa tatlo. And then, common sa bawat dalawa, no? So, you have 5 tsaka 5 squared. So, pipiliin mo yung 5 squared. Mas mataas na exponent. And then, you have there the 2 cubed. So, alam yan. So, that is 3 times 10, times 25 rather, times 8. Okay? So, which is equal to 75 times 8, that is equal to 600. Right? So, ngayon, what if gagamit ulit tayo ng continuous division? So, 24, 15, at saka 75. So, again, isip tayo, ano ba yung pinaka-ano natin sa tatlo? So, that's 3. So, ito ngayon 8, ito ay 5, ito ay 25. Again, pairwise, ito wala, ang 8 at saka 5, pero ang 5 and 25, you know that's 5. So, diretso tayo, 8 pa rin to. Ito ay 1, ito ay 5. Then, mula na sa 8 at saka 5, so, bawat isa dyan, pwede na, no? So, 8 ito ay 1, 1, and then 5. So, the 5 ito, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so, ang product niya, 3 times 5, 15, 15, Tapos times ito, 8 times 5, 40. So the LCM here, the product of 3 times 5 times 8 times 5, it's also equal to 600. Okay, so ito po yung mga paggamit natin for how to find the least common multiple of numbers using either prime factorization or the continuous division. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.